go. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are posted. Thank you.
And I've just been too lazy to hook up the heated gear because mine isn't portable with little individual batteries in them. They plug into the 12 volt. Of the bike, and then you gotta route the wires up your sleeves and then out, and it plugs in right back here on the left on the saddlebag guard, crash bar, rear crash bar, whatever you want to call it. And there's Granite Mountain up there in front of us. They got more on Glassford Hill. I don't know what they got these out here for, because they use Glassford Hill tanks to give them water pressure. They don't have a lot of pumps. One time when in '94, I think it was, a pump broke. We had no water pressure until like around midnight, and then it would trickle out just enough to take a shower. But during the day, you couldn't get anything out. A few days later, they got it fixed, and we thought everything was fine. A couple of days after that, it broke again, and then they said they had to order a new pump, and it was coming from, I think they said Washington. Anyway, it took about 2 weeks for them to get it and get it installed. And the only time we could take a shower was after midnight, and then it was just a trickle of water. But before, during the day and in the evening, you couldn't get any water out of the shower. Couldn't get any water out of any of the pipes. At my house, anyway. But I lived on, even though it was all flat, it was a little higher than a lot of the other surrounding areas, which is good for when they have the flooding rains, but that meant I didn't get water when they only had the water tanks and one pump, I guess. Or maybe it was two. I think they said they had 3 at the time, and one was out. This is 89A. There's the Granite Dells over there on the left. over here, turn on Willow Creek Road. Go look for something to eat. Well, my front brakes are squealing again. Not as loud as they were, but they're squealing. That Colorado looks almost as big as the Silverado now. And there's Doggy Dude Ranch on the right. Dog boarding kennel and day spa, they call it. Daycare. University there on the right. Can't really see anything but the sign. There's a building over there. For it, you're waiting to hear it. I know it. Well, maybe I won't say it this time. Oh, like heck I won't. There's Thumb Butte. This is the place that has their name on that concert sports arena convention center out in Prescott Valley, Findlay Toyota. I guess they pay Prescott Valley money to do that. It's a source of revenue for them. Guy on an all-black bike, all black clothes and a red helmet. That's unusual. This is Galpin, Ford, Lincoln, and I think they sell Mercuries there. I don't see Mercury on the sign. I know they service them. They service everything. I've even had some of my Chevys serviced there when they had specials. I kind of miss changing the oil and that on my vehicles myself, but I can't do it where I live. And I certainly couldn't crawl under my trucks on that gravel, especially when it's cold now anyway. I need a garage so bad. There's used to go there all the time and meet some other friends of his. He moved to Florida. Misses living here, but he moved to Florida to be with family because he was ill. But he says he's better now. And he says he still rides. Said he has a 2018 limited Harley-Davidson. I don't know if that's an ultra limited or a road glide limited or street glide, whatever. I always get those two confused, the road glide and the street glide. It's almost 2 o'clock. At least that sun, only going 35 miles an hour, it feels pretty warm on my face, but it's just barely 50 now. Here, maybe only 49. Just made that. There's a snowman on top of that Yavapai landscaping trailer. That yard, I guess that business, I don't know if they'd been around before, but they were using that area, started using that area maybe 3-4 years ago, and to me it's an eyesore, but everybody's got to earn a living now. Turn here on Rosser, go over to the Maverick and get some gas. I'm not going to be able to get out next week. It's going to be cold, raining, and snowing all next week. In fact, it's supposed to snow Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. It's going to be raining on Monday.